Good day everyone. In this lecture I will show you how to crack WPA handshake. So in this lecture we'll be cracking the WPA handshake we captured earlier using word list attack. So I'll be cracking this handshake here with my word list which I created to get the password of this handshake. So to do this we'll be using a tool called aircrack-ng. So aircrack-ng, so all we just have to do is to specify the handshake we captured earlier, which is solid-data-o2.cap, which is this file here, this one right here. So when we specify it, all we have to do now is put the -w, which means word list. So let's say for example we want to use the built-in word list that come with Kali Linux. All we just have to do is to specify the location of the word list, which is in USR share word lists. So for example, let's say we want to use fast track, which is one of the word lists there, so we use fasttrack.txt. But in this attack I'll be using the word list I created, which is the solid data word list, which is this, the solid data word list.txt. So all we are trying to do now is using aircrack-ng to crack this captured handshake, which is solid-data-o2.cap, using this word list that is in this location, solid-data-word-list.txt. I didn't specify any location because this word list is in this our screen here, in this location that we are working from. As you can see here, we are in home Kali and the word list too is in home Kali, so I don't have to specify it using /home/Kali with the word list name. So because I'm in this location, I will just run the attack like that. So when I click enter, as you can see, aircrack-ng will be trying all the whole password in my word list and testing them against the handshake. So anytime if it tests any password that work with the handshake, it will stop and set key found. As you can see, we have a valid password within the handshake, which is this. As you can see, key found. So this password, because it's within the word list we created, that's why we can find the key. So before we stop this lecture here, we have to know that we are in monitor mode. And monitor mode will only sniff packet around us, which means if we don't change back to manage mode, our Wi-Fi card, which is the network adapter we are using, won't be able to connect to the internet. So if I run ifconfig one you can see there's no network interface bearing one because we have changed it to one mode. So if I run ordinary ifconfig here, you can see we are in one mode. So to do this, to change back to manage mode, we have to use m1 ng to stop one mode. So it will stop the one monitor mode and put us in one back without mod. So if I say ifconfig now, you can see we are having one here, and if I say ilconfig, you can see we are in manage mode. So now Kali can easily connect back to the internet.